Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering proof so support can verify ownership fast. Collect purchase receipts from the App Store or Google Play, note dollar amounts and exact dates. Record your in-game UID, all username variants, the last login date, and the device model you used. Also find linked social ID like Facebook or Game Center and take screenshots of account screens. Once done, keep everything in one folder or email draft to paste into the support form quickly. You now submit a clear recovery request to official support. Open the BattleCat support form or in-game help and select Account Recovery. Avoid third-party forums. Attach receipts, screenshots, and the UID, and then write a concise timeline explaining how and when you lost access. Make sure to include your contact email, device model, OS version, and recent purchase details. Once submitted, note the ticket number and expect a reply within a few days. Respond promptly to any follow-ups. You finish by following support steps to restore access. Complete any identity verification they request, then wait for confirmation and sign in when they enable recovery. If your request is denied, request an escalation and provide missing proof within 48 hours to prevent delays. Once recovered, unlink or update stale emails and enable any backup features the game offers. If problems persist, try reinstalling, logging in from a different device, and then recontact support with updated logs and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.